So you guys, after 2 years since 2018, I have not done a photo shoot, and today's that day. I'm nervous, but I'm also like excited. I'm ready to get back to the swing of things, and it's gonna be a bomb, sexy beach shoot. So it's like, oh, I'm so excited, and I'm shooting with the one and only my man's. I'm shooting with 1080 or better. And I'm just really, really excited. I think it's gonna come out great. I know it's been a while since I posted. A lot of things have happened. Nothing bad, but I got a new truck. I'll show y'all that later too. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you with me in my journey of returning back to the modeling world. I know some people are gonna kill me, but some of y'all been like, Nikki, when you gonna shoot again? Nikki, when you gonna shoot again? I'm just like, I don't know. But now I know it's today. I'm not gonna post. I'm just gonna wait until everything's ready. I'm gonna pull up Beyonce and just be like, bam, content. So hopefully y'all like it. Hopefully it's comes out good. I hope we're not late for the sun too. But yeah, I'll check back with you guys later. Oh, I did my makeup. Y'all like, you like. It's heavy because, you know, the camera and stuff start looking crazy. Look like you didn't put nothing on either. You didn't spend like 2 hours in your makeup. But yeah, I'll check back with you guys later. Bye. Alright, so we made it. I don't know why I'm so extra. It's actually packed, so I'm kind of nervous, but it should be good. Oh, so I'm gonna. You dropped your phone? It cracked? Oh. So I'm gonna show you guys my makeup. Something simple, cause it's gonna be dark, so I really want to just get shadows and like light, so not really color. But I did do OD on my blush. Y'all know I like blush. And I never get to see it in my pictures, so I make sure I put blush. But yeah, there's a lot of people here. I didn't expect this many people to be out like this. I don't want to put this mask on. But I got it. Y'all, this is gonna be so embarrassing. It's so many people here, like there's no spots or so I'm gonna have to do it in front of everybody. Alright y'all, so that's a wrap. It ended bad because this big ass wave came and knocked my makeup off. So we have to end it here. So I'm gonna go take a shower or or rinse off, I guess. Change my clothes. Get back in the car. But it was a good shoot. I think we got great pictures, good video. So hope y'all like it. Yeah, I'll check back with you guys when I get in the car and I'll be able to explain everything.